Welcome back to our channel. Question 6 is a long question, a lot of discussion or a lot of introduction, but you just can get it. 6a is talk about this reaction, okay? And we have reaction rates here, okay? And then using the graph, okay, this graph determine the missing value for the table in experiment V. Just find your answer, okay? The missing thing is the initial concentration and the initial rates of reaction. I think initial concentration is easy, right? It's 6. But you need to copy the units. Okay, so it is a 6.00 times 10 to the power 6, okay? -6, okay? And then what is the initial weight? Initial weight is the gradient of this thing, so you need to find out, draw a straight line, okay? Draw a straight line. From here, you have the tangent, okay? It's eyesight test, okay? So you approximate which one is the best one. I think this one is quite good. So it's about 95, okay? So the initial weight, okay? Initial will be 6 over 95, okay? Times 10 to the power 6, okay? You can -6, okay? And then calculate it, okay? The initial is 6.3 times 10 to the power -8, okay? So you have the two missing data from this graph, okay? We'll use it later. So now part 2, okay, deduce the order of reaction with respect to each of the reactants, okay? So actually the table is here. Yeah, this is the table. Okay, we just copy all the data back. Okay, it says initial is 6.00, okay, times 10 to the power -6, okay, and then this one initial weight is 6.3 times 10 to the power -8, okay. Anything you think about order of reaction? So look at it. Anything that is easy to guess, okay? Compare which one first, okay? Of course, I compare 1 and 3 first, okay? Same concentration of OH, okay? Okay, and you saw that, okay? Same, okay? So it says compare 1 and 3, okay? And same OH concentration. And we only have to look for RCl, and then RCl concentration from 1 to 3 is double, right? And what will happen to the initial weights also double, so first order to RCl, okay? So first order RCl, okay, we'll use it again, okay? First order for RCl, okay, write down, okay, for yeah, RCl first order. Then you look at, compare the other one is a 2 and 3 or 1 and 2, okay? Then you compare 1 and 2. It's a little bit complicated because both things change, okay? But you know one dependence already for the RCl. So remember for compare 1 and 2, okay? Remember concentration from 1 to 2, okay? RCl concentration is half. And we remember it's a first order, so the weight should be half, okay? But look at actually what happened. 3.2 becomes 8, now become a 0.8. Be careful here, okay? So, but actually the weight is actual weight is a quarter. So what is the contribution of OH change? Also 1/2, okay? And you look at here, OH also half, okay? So when it is half, it changes the weight by half too, okay? So they add together is 1/4, okay? Be careful. So it's also first order for OH, be careful. Very good question, a good question. Well designed, okay? Excellent. So we got the answer, okay? Both are first order. Very good question. A little bit tricky. A lot of people think it's second order for OH, but forgot. RCl contribute to, okay? Okay, see you for next part.